Your driveway is one of the most hard-working parts of your property, but over time, all that exposure to weather and daily traffic can leave it looking stained, dirty, and tired. Thankfully, a professional pressure wash can breathe new life into your driveway, instantly boosting your home's curb appeal. The main reason driveways get so dirty is because concrete, while durable, is a porous material. It easily absorbs a whole range of substances and contaminants. It's common to see things like oil and grease stains from parked cars, tyre marks from regular vehicle traffic, rust stains from metal objects, and even heavy moss and mould buildup, especially in damp or shady spots. These blemishes don't just look bad, they can also create slippery hazards and, over time, contribute to the breakdown of the concrete itself. This is where a professional clean makes all the difference. At the Stain Eaters, our trained technicians use specialised cleaning methods to remove even the toughest stains. Our custom-built pressure washing systems are designed to deeply penetrate the pores of the concrete, lifting out embedded dirt and grime. A key advantage is our use of hot water. This is a game changer for effectively removing stubborn stains like oil, grease and tyre marks. For a perfect finish, we use specialised spin jet units. These allow us to clean your entire driveway efficiently and evenly, so you'll never see those inconsistent stripy patterns left behind by DIY machines. The benefits are immediate and long-lasting. First, you get a huge boost in your property's appearance and curb appeal, making a great first impression. A professional clean also improves safety by removing slippery residues like moss and mould. It's not just about looks. By preventing contaminants from breaking down the concrete, regular cleaning actually helps extend the life of your driveway, protecting your investment. A well-maintained driveway can even add to your property's value. While a DIY approach might seem tempting, using pressure washing equipment without experience can easily damage concrete, leaving permanent marks or uneven patterns. Our technicians at the Stain Eaters carefully assess your driveway and adjust the pressure and water temperature to suit the specific needs of your surface, ensuring a safe and flawless result. And after the cleaning is done, we can also apply a high-quality sealer. This adds another layer of powerful protection against future staining and weather damage. So don't settle for a tired, stained driveway. Transform your property's entrance with our professional pressure washing service. At the Stain Eaters, we pride ourselves on delivering outstanding results that enhance your property's look and longevity. Contact us today to schedule your driveway cleaning and see firsthand the remarkable difference a professional clean can make.